Valve actuators are selected based upon a number of factors, including torque necessary to operate the valve and the need for automatic actuation. Types of actuators include manual hand wheel, manual lever, electrical motor, pneumatic, solenoid, hydraulic piston, and self-actuated. All actuators except manual hand wheel and lever are adaptable to automatic actuation. Manual actuators are capable of placing the valve in any position, but do not permit automatic operation. The most common type of mechanical actuator is the hand wheel. This type includes hand wheel fixed to a stem, as depicted here, hammer hand wheels, and hand wheels connected to the stem through gears. As illustrated in the following example, hand wheels fixed to the stem provide only the mechanical advantage of the wheel. When these valves are exposed to high operating temperatures, valve binding makes operation difficult. So, if additional mechanical advantage is necessary for a manually operated valve, the valve bonnet is fitted with manually operated gear heads, as illustrated here. And here you can see a 2D cross-sectional view of this gear head. As you can see from the figure, a special wrench or hand wheel attached to the pinion shaft permits the operator to operate the valve, when two operators might be needed without the gear advantage. Because several turns of the pinion are necessary to produce one turn of the valve stem, the operating time of large valves is exceptionally long. The use of portable air motors connected to the pinion shaft decreases the valve operating time.